This is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. Here I'm again with another sunglasses. You can see true wireless Bluetooth sunglasses from Lenovo. This is Lecoo, something as this the branding is. This is from Lenovo original. Some information right in here. You can listen music, or if somebody calling you can talk while you are driving or doing other things. Here Lenovo C8 Black 1JI, that is the model number. Let me unbox this one from here. Okay, this is the glass here, lovely packaging I can see here, and a few more things, some catalog. Okay, here we go, some information, how to use other stuff, nothing fancy. Here we have data cable. Most importantly, this is C port, so you can charge with your Samsung, also iPhone adapter very easily. Okay, let's go to the glass, guys. Here we go. Let me take this off. Beautiful looking glass though. See, lovely. Wow, this look as a Raven style. I have unboxing of Raven. I use regularly. This look quite same, quite exactly. Beautiful glass, and nobody will notice. You can have these things you see here. It's little bit fat than usual because you have all the stuff here. This side you have one hole. This is for listening, 2 holes for a speaker, you can see here. And this side you have more holes. You have one place, I think. You can take this off and you can charge. You can see here you have C port, and then you have a button, and to speaker I hit this button. It says power on something from the speaker, and here you can see a blinking light, so it's trying to pair in with whatever is nearby connected with this one. So lovely, guys, beautiful looking glass in this. In my next video I'm going to show you how you can assemble or this one set up to any phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.